The Postal Service charges 33 cents for postcards and 22 cents more for letters that weigh between 1 and 2 ounces. Jeffrey, testing his father's math skills, gave his father $37.40 and asked him to purchase 80 stamps for his collection, some 33-cent stamps and some 55-cent stamps. How many of each type did his father buy? Well, the first sentence is very interesting what the Postal Service does, but it has nothing to do with our problem. So we can eliminate all of this information that doesn't help us solve our problem. Our problem is that Jeffrey has given his father $37.40, and he wants 33-cent stamps and 55-cent stamps. I'm going to call the 33-cent stamps T for 33, and the 55-cent stamps F for 55. Our first equation is still the amount equation. We have some 33-cent stamps and some 55-cent stamps, and he wanted a total of 80 stamps. So that's our amount equation. Our value equation includes the value of our 33-cent stamps and 55-cent stamps, and the value of all the stamps. Well, it was $37.40, but we're going to write that as 3,740 cents. That way I don't have any decimals to play with. Now, if I want to solve this system of equations, I need to make one of the variables go away. I can do that by multiplying the first equation by negative 33 on both sides. And since there are two terms here, I'm going to multiply each term by negative 33. You can see here I've drawn two lines because I'm not actually going to add the equations together. Rewriting these equations side by side so you can see it, I have negative 33t minus 33f is equal to a negative 2,640 when I multiply the 33 to the 80. Our second equation, 33t plus 55f, is equal to 3,740. If I do add these two equations together, the t's will go away, and I'm left with 22f is equal to 1,100. I still need to solve for f, so I multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 22. We now have f is equal to 50. F again represented the 55-cent stamps. So we know that Jeffrey's father should purchase 50 55-cent stamps, and we still need to determine how many 33-cent stamps. Going back to that first equation, T plus F is equal to 80. We just found out that he has 50 of the 55-cent stamps, so what do I add to that to make it 80? Solving for T, I can add a negative 50 to both sides of the equation. We now have T is equal to 30. So his father needs to purchase 30 of the 33-cent stamps and 50 of the 55-cent stamps.